So for our last subject today, we're going to be studying geography, and we are going to learn about the different places in Asia. So remember, the Philippines, where we're living right now, is located in Asia. So these places that we will be talking about today can be found in our very own continent. So please get your geography books. Usually, remember, we have an airplane game, but because you're a little bit far and I can't show my videos, so we're going to have to settle with an airplane game next time when we meet, okay? So please turn your books to page 104. 104. So on this page, you're going to see a picture of two very tall buildings. These buildings are called the Petronas Towers. Okay? Say Petronas Towers. Now, the Petronas Towers are found in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia, and they have 88 floors or 88 stories all in all. If you see, there is a bridge in the middle, and that bridge is between the 41st and the 42nd floor. So if you go there, you have to stop at the 41st floor, and then you can walk on the bridge. So remember, the Petronas Towers has 88 floors in all, and the bridge is right there in the middle. Okay, so our book says that the Petronas Towers stand side by side, and they are considered the world's tallest buildings with the world's tallest flagpole. So it doesn't say exactly in our book where the flagpole is, but it has the world's tallest flagpole also. So everybody say Petronas Towers. Petronas Towers are found in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. Okay, so go ahead and trace the words. Don't forget, you can pause the video if you need more time. Okay, Petronas Towers. So on the other side, we have the Golden Pagoda. The Golden Pagoda is found in Yangon in Myanmar. So pagoda is actually any building, any tall building with multiple or many eaves. Eaves are like parts of the roof that are sticking out. So this is similar to that. Okay, Golden Pagoda. It is glittering. Why do you think it glitters? From the name Golden Pagoda, why do you think the Golden Pagoda glitters? Well, our book says that the Golden Pagoda is plated, or it's covered with over 30 tons of gold. That is a lot of gold. So I can imagine if the sun hits the Golden Pagoda, you can just imagine that it's glittering, right? Because of all of that gold. Say Golden Pagoda. Golden Pagoda. Okay, go ahead and trace, and then you can turn to the next page. Okay, so here we are. There are 3 pictures here and 3 words here. We're gonna connect, but as we connect each one, we are going to learn about each picture, okay? So let's start from the first one over here. This word says Great Wall of China. Repeat after Teacher Meg. Say Great Wall of China. Okay, so just from that, you know that whatever this Great Wall of China is, it is located in China, right? And Great Wall means it's a very long wall. So look at the 3 pictures. Which of the 3 pictures shows a long wall? Is it the first picture or the second picture? Okay, very good. The second picture shows a very long wall. In fact, it is the longest man-made wall, or the longest wall that was made by people in the whole world, and it's located in China. Now, this Great Wall of China was built to protect the country from invaders, because long time ago people would always be fighting. They would try to invade the country, go inside the country and capture the king so that they can rule that country. So the Great Wall of China was created to protect the country of China. There are over 7,000 watchtowers. See, these are watchtowers. There's so many of them, around over 7,000 of them. those watchtowers are where the people or the soldiers stand so that they can guard and see if there are any enemies that are coming. So from here, Great Wall of China, please connect it to this picture. Go ahead and do that. Okay, very good. Let's move to the second word. This word says Mount Fuji. Say Mount Fuji. Okay, mount is a shortened form of the word mountain. So which of the two remaining pictures show a mountain? Okay, good job. It's this one. Mount Fuji is located in Japan. Did you know that Mount Fuji is not only a mountain, it's actually a volcano? Just like our very own Taal volcano, Mount Fuji is also a volcano. So, a volcano, an active volcano in the country of Japan. So, the top part of Mount Fuji, because it's quite high, the top part of Mount Fuji is usually covered in snow, even though the bottom part is not. Okay, so from here, Mount Fuji, please connect to this picture. Okay, and the last one, it says Taj Mahal. Say Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, as you have already guessed, is this beautiful, beautiful palace. But actually, it's not a palace. No king and no queen lives there. Instead, a dead king and a dead queen are buried there. So there was this king who loved his queen so much that when the queen died, he asked to build a beautiful, beautiful mausoleum, okay? Or it's a place where you put the dead people, but he made it so beautiful that it turned out to look like a palace. And do you know, because the king wanted to make it such a special place for his dead queen, it took 22 years for this Taj Mahal to be finished. That's a long, 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 long time. Many of you are only 5 or 6 years old. Imagine being 22 years old. That's how long it took the king to finish the construction of the Taj Mahal. Okay, so go ahead and connect. Okay, good job. So we're on the last page now. We have 2 more pictures. Let's start with the picture at the bottom. It shows a mountain, and the name of this mountain is Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is actually the tallest mountain in the whole world. Okay? The tallest mountain in the whole world. It is on the border of China, Tibet, and Nepal. So that's where Mount Everest is. Many people have tried to climb Mount Everest, and many of them have been successful to reach the top of the tallest mountain in the world. So say Mount Everest. Okay, and go ahead and connect. Now I saved this for last. It's very special because this place is actually found in the Philippines, right where we are today. This is called the Palawan Underground River. Okay, that's very interesting because usually rivers are not under the ground. Usually rivers are flowing on the ground, right? But this is a special river. You have to go inside a cave in order to experience the Palawan Underground River. So the Palawan Underground River is actually around 8 kilometers long, but the length of the boat trip, the only parts that are open to the public is only 4.3 kilometers, so only half. You are not supposed to go past. The boat ride doesn't allow you to go past the 4.3 kilometers. Okay, so this is located in Palawan in the Philippines. So for you to be able to experience this, you have to ride a boat, and then the boat goes inside the cave. You'll see stalactites and stalagmites, you know, those sharp pieces of ground that is formed. Some of them are facing downwards and some of them are pointing up. So if you get a chance to go to Palawan, don't miss to visit the Palawan Underground River. Say Palawan Underground River. So go ahead and connect. Okay, congratulations, you have completed another day of online studying. See you soon, Kinder 2!